Yeah, man. Up in up.
Yeah, it's another session from Boulevard, you know?
You know. Views right now, you know?
Yeah, and we have to say big up to them girls who never make the 31st pass and they never bring it in. You see me?
Big up.
Big up.
Yeah,
Big up.
big
Enough for that. You see me?
Big up to the girl, we're not afraid to send a new picture then.
Yeah, you have to big up to them girls.
I can't take a girl them where I be a bush and girl want fuck. No sir, that now work, you see me? Bush. You have to talk about bed and something.
Yeah, man, talk about the bed, man.
No sir, my girl, that now work.
You can't take them girl.
You see me?
Can't take them girl. We want to buy you things, and when you and them have problem and argument, them talk about it, and I want to come take you out them see like shoes in the road. I don't know if I'm a style like me.
Well, you see, Uno boy, we work on a hype boy in the road, and now these mother good. Stop it.
Cause you can't go on them things. If you not need mommy go.
You know, say for you alright, mommy alright, cause she bring up on the circle, you see me?
You make girl all around the head.
I tell you, when you give your mother money and things, what kind of style?
You can't take somebody when they have a link all a man for the first time and thing, you know I walk with all, you know, dirty foot, you need some flip-flop a walk, need a little lotion.
Dirty foot for dry. No sir, that you see me?
I can't bother to confuse girl them too. Girl will never know they want you to text them.
Some boy, a batty boy.
Some boy can cool too.
I can't take